5 Facts about dinosaurs. Fact 1. Dinosaurs have been around for more than 230 million years. About 250 million years ago, most life on Earth went extinct, and within the next 10 million years or so, dinosaurs began to evolve. But we know for sure that it was between 230 to 245 million years ago. Fact 2. Dinosaurs lived during the Mesozoic era. The Mesozoic era roughly ran from 245 to 66 million years ago and is generally divided into 3 time periods, the Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous periods. Fact 3. They evolved from reptiles the size of house cats. From around 244 to 242 million years ago, small yet agile reptiles known as dinosauromorphs rapidly increased and spread across the world. While they were far too small to come even close to the top of the food chain, they were speedy enough to escape predators for long enough to evolve into dinosaurs. Fact 4. Dinosaurs are still alive and with us today. In fact, all birds are descendants of dinosaurs, even the humble hummingbird. Fact 5. Pterodactyls are not actually dinosaurs. Pterodactyls, along with all other winged dinosaur-like reptiles, belong not to the dinosaur family but are classified as pterosaurs.